Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we break down the latest news and trends in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to talk about how debt has become uncontrollable and how Bitcoin can benefit from it. Debt is like a ticking time bomb, growing exponentially and threatening the very foundations of our economy. The United States alone needs to refinance around $28 trillion in debt over the next 4 years, and that's just the beginning. As energy availability per capita has been declining since 2013, countries have tried to compensate by going into debt, but there are limits. Debt stimulates demand, but its effectiveness depends on abundant and cheap energy. When energy becomes scarce, debt generates mostly inflation rather than real growth. In other words, without an increase in the production of goods, any increase in GDP is just an inflationary illusion. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. Some people believe that it can replace fiat currency as a reserve asset, but the truth is, Bitcoin won't conjure oil, lithium, or plutonium from its blockchain. Freezing the amount of currency in circulation will not magically grow the economy. However, Bitcoin does offer something unique, a liquid asset existing in absolutely finite quantity. This makes it attractive as a reserve currency, especially in a contracting world where nations are increasingly refusing IOUs as payment. The attractiveness of Bitcoin as a reserve currency will continue to grow, and those who first grasp its potential will naturally benefit the most. So, what's next? Well, Senator Cynthia Lummis is pushing for the Bitcoin Act, which could pave the way for massive purchases of Bitcoin by the U.S. government. This raises an interesting question. How will the U.S. use Bitcoin as a reserve currency? Will it be used to back the dollar, or will it become a rival currency? One thing's for sure, Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and finance.